I've had it running for about an hour now. I stopped it and had a look at the, open up the covers from the tappets. Tappets look fine. There's no noise coming from there. Then I took the cam cover off. Cam changed fine. There's nothing slack or rattling in there. So I think the noise could be coming from down here. Around the alternator maybe. Or down here. Around the clutch. I'm not going to worry about it too much at the moment. It's not getting worse. But I'm very happy how she's ticking over. I mean, the carburetor is not the best. And I had a bit of trouble getting the choke to work. One of these ones where the choke goes into this little socket down in the carburetor. There's a little socket in there. I've got a similar shape on my degree. But I think there looks like a little piece of this little punch off the end thing missing. So I may have to have a look at that later. But she's running. Pulling a little bit of gas down. When I pull the clutch in, it doesn't seem to make any difference to the sound. It's almost like I wonder if there's something sort of vibrating. But I think the vibration is probably coming from within the engine actually, which is not so good. I can't really see that without stripping it down again. But I'm not against stripping it down now that I know that it runs. It's not so bad stripping it down, knowing that I've got all the parts to put it back together again. But I think at this stage I'll continue with the build. I've got to get the seat covered, put all the plastics back on, chain and brake, and ride it around a little bit. Seems to rev okay. Just playing around with the rev counter here at the moment. I don't really think that's a true RPM. I think it's more like about 1,000 at the moment. So it's reading about twice as much. So I've got to have a little read in the instructions on this to look at the number of loops I've got to put around the high tension lead. Anyway, that's all about that. It's all about learning. But at this stage I'm more than happy. Apart from this rain. Okay, that'll probably be for this. Thank you for watching.